Guys, I'm Tiara Martilopat. Now I will tell you about good story, which the title of story is Boastful Winnie. Time there lived some mice in a house. In that house, they lived together. Winnie was the bravest among them. And one day, the mice saw that their stock of has finished. We have to go and search for food, said a mouse to all his friends. But who will go out to seek some food? asked the others Winnie. Winnie volunteered. I will bring food for all of us, he said bravely. Don't go alone, Winnie. It's dangerous, said a wise mouse. It is better to go in a small group. But Winnie didn't listen. Ha! Don't worry, I'm brave enough to go alone, he said. I'll for you just wait and watch how I find lots of food. And so saying, Winnie walked out of the house. I will show to them that I'm the best. I can feed them, he thought. In the street, Winnie came upon a restaurant. I will get in the plenty of delicious food here, so that my friends can eat whatever they want, he smiled. Ha ha ha. As Winnie peeped through, then suddenly he saw some pizza and buns. His mouth began to water. He was interested to taking them. Winnie stealthily entered to the restaurant. He wanted to steal some of the goodies. Suddenly he was surprised when he heard a sound. Meow! There's a cat! My enemy! I must go out! He squawked cat in fear. The cat saw the Winnie and wanted to catch him. Winnie ran to the vat as fast as he could, and the cat ran after him. Luckily, Winnie found a hole and ran into it. The cat was very angry to see his prey could not be attained. After a while, the cat left and Winnie sighed of relief. Winnie was hungry. He was reminded of delicious food. Winnie saw the cake kept on the table. He quickly came up the table and began to enjoy the cake. And suddenly, something snapped on the Winnie. It was a mouse trap. Ow! Winnie cried in pain. Winnie could not do anything. Mainly, Winnie's friends were empty. All of them were hungry. How long can we wait? They said. We are too hungry. Let's go and find for Winnie. I hope he could walk in okay. And he didn't get caught, said one of them. Maybe Winnie must have gone there. Let's go and try to find him. So, all the mice went to the restaurant. There, they found Winnie was caught in a mouse trap. I can't hurt to steal, friends, moaned Winnie, and was rightly punishment. You too should learn a lesson from this. Remember it. Just then, suddenly there came the cat, the devil Winnie. Run! Cried the mice as they ran helter-skelter. They wanted Winnie to be released from the trap and they must be away from the cat, their enemy. But Winnie is not lucky. Back home, the mice sighed. It sad lost Winnie. He should not have been overconfident. It was a lesson. Now, and I have a suggest. We are in the world. We are a human. Don't be overconfident. Because still there are amazing people in the world more than us. Thank you.